Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you everything about Louis Vuitton and their new collection. I'm going to share to you everything that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, and launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone and laptop to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping. Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, I'm very excited to share the rainbow collection of Louis Vuitton that will be launching July 10, 2026. First, we have this very beautiful Nano Speedy, priced at 2,090 USD. Please take note of the screenshot. So guys, the material of the rainbow collection is in the very beautiful empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway of this one is minty or minty green. Comes of course with detachable leather strap, and as we could see, it comes with silver hardware. So next on the rainbow collection, guys, how gorgeous is this colorway of the vanity pouch or vanity chain pouch. The price of this one is 3,200 USD. So the colorway of this one is blue iris. So love the light blue, like powder blue colorway, and as we can see that it comes with gold hardware, which is actually complementary to the color. And as you can see, the strap, the leather chain strap, comes with the Louis Vuitton charms with the S-lock and Louis Vuitton flower chain charms. Next guys, let us discuss some SLGs on the rainbow collection. First, we have the very beautiful Romy card holder. So price at 730 USD. So we have the SKU here for reference, still from the rainbow collection. So the colorway of this one is blue iris, and of course the material is the empreinte leather. So guys, this is the close-up view of the charms that it comes with. We have the S-lock for closure charm, and then of course the Louis Vuitton flower charm. I love that they're making the S-lock as a charm, which I feel this is the first time that they are doing that. So again, so we have another Romy card holder, this time in the colorway minty green. So price is still the same at 730 USD. We have the SKU here, so please take a screenshot for your reference. Close-up view of the charms that it comes with. So I'm seeing three. We have the S-lock, we have the flower, and we have the emblem with the Louis Vuitton logo. So next on the collection, so we have another SLG. Guys, so they are going to release the key pouch size small. So price of this one is 650 USD. We have the SKU, so the material is in the empreinte leather with cowhide leather trim. So the interior, as you can see, is like the stripe interior, and of course the colorway of this one is sunflower yellow and blue iris. Of course, it comes with the S-lock charm, and it will come with gold hardware. So guys, again, reminding everyone, this collection would be launching July 10th this month. So check with your CAs and the website to order this very beautiful rainbow collection. Just like with this key pouch size small, so price at 650 USD. So colorway is the poplier, and then the interior is blue iris in the stripe color or pattern, as you can see. So this is the charms that it comes with. So the S-lock, the Louis Vuitton flower, and then the Louis Vuitton emblem with the Louis Vuitton engraving. So next SLG that we are going to discuss on the rainbow collection, so we have another key pouch size small. So this one is in the combination. The outer part is blue iris, and then of course you're going to see the interior is in the poplier. So the poplier is just like the beige colorway, as you can see. So there's beige, and then there is like the blue stripe. So are you noticing guys that there is a lip pocket on the inside as well? Then these are the charms that it comes with. So same charms together with the everything from the rainbow collection. Next guys, so we have the Lisa wallet, priced at 895 USD. So material is empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is poplier and blue iris. It comes of course with the S-lock charm, and it would come with gold hardware. So these are the charms that it comes with. Same with the SLGs that we have discussed earlier, apologies for that one. I was kind of blanking out. Then of course, next guys, another Lisa wallet in the blue iris and poplar combination. So the outer part is the blue iris, and of course the interior, as you're going to see, is the poplar. So the poplar is like in the beige colorway. So of course it would come with gold hardware, and again, these are the charms that it comes with, very consistent with the rainbow collection. So this is the back part of the Lisa wallet, although this wallet is a little bit expensive, but I love the compact design. So basically it could fit almost literally any bags that we have. Then guys, we have more SLG. So we have the rosary coin purse. So it would come in different combinations. So we have 4 SKU, please take note. It would come in the poplar blue iris combo. It would come in the blue iris poplar combination, then sunflower yellow poplar interior, minty exterior, and then lily white interior. Happy shopping! Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so guys, next is we are going to discuss different collection this time. So this would still be launching July 10th. First, we have the Express MM, price at 4,350 USD. So the material is the very beautiful calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway of this one is in quartz. It would come with detachable leather strap, key clochette, lock and keys, and it would come with gold hardware. So this is how long the shoulder strap that it comes with. Then of course, I love the slouchy design of the Express MM. Then of course, if you're looking for a more classic bag, then opt for the on-the-go but on the east-west configuration, price at 3,400 USD. Materials EMPRIENTE leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is minty or minty green. It would come with detachable leather strap and detachable leather chain strap, as we could see here, and we are going to see it features the very beautiful yellow gold hardware. Next on the collection, so we have the Nano Speedy. So this one priced at 2,090 USD. So materials in EMPRIENTE leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is minty green, detachable leather strap, and it would come with gold hardware. So this is a close-up view of the silver. So apologies guys, of the silver hardware. This is the interior. Please take note. This is a Nano Speedy, so this is a micro bag. Next that we are going to discuss would be the low-key hobo size PM. So this one priced at 2,090 USD. We have SKU here, M2A207. So materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. How gorgeous is the Louis Vuitton padlock? So this is the interior. Of course, it would still come with the detachable pochette, and of course, guys, the strap is fully adjustable, and this very beautiful hobo bag would be launching July 10th.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!